Yes, we've arrived at, my yard. Our yard. My family's yard. We call this place the Resort the Row. Because, it's a place you come for food. Oh, we're running catch up.
Run.
We're going to Resort the Row. Let's go, folks. I'm sure they have dinner ready so we can, relax. Right, Miss Row? Wow. I'm tired.
Pinky called dibs on the bathroom.
Not if I reach first. I mean, who reached first, really?
Let me take a banana.
There's no R in banana.
Apparently, there are.
It's a banana.
Banana.
It's a watermelon. It's a watermelon.
It's a watermelon.
Bing bing bong bong bing bing bing.
It's banana. It's banana.
Banana.
Acts of kindness.
Sorry, sir.
That is not even her love language, though. It's none of us love language because no one can, so stop it.
We show affection.
Very differently from other families.
Alright, so
Banana.
don't ask me why we eat a banana.
You're not supposed to eat a banana like that. You're supposed to take time, peel, and bite. What my camera now?
Is who make the law on eating banana?
Exactly.
Monkeys peel it. You see, I want a house just to paint it black.
What?
Yeah, all the walls then
And I
black.
will be there to paint it with you.
You never have the chance to work us last minute.
Banana number 2.
Wait, hold on, I'm gonna show you something. Oh, you do the Indian style.
Yo, Indian man start running and then end up in the sky.
Yeah. And the K-drama people, them going in slow motion. Oh, it's okay.
Take my breath away.
This is my shirt.
That's how we showed up in Africa. By doing the weirdest stuff.
If one day I was to come to you and be like, son, my darling, my sweet.
Oh no.
I love you.
We have to say poison and breakfast.
I love you. Love you. Can I have a hug?
That is when I know something is wrong. And it's either.
When I ask to hug, I just randomly come and hug people and move around.
Or she come and
Stop it. Stop it.
She come and
Stop
put,
it. Beep in your house. Beep.
She come and put orange in your mouth in your sleep. You can't be any time you on the bed and sleep.
Cause we said to her, wake up and she now wake up.
Come and put it.
You want that thing to do to swan. See me mouth shut.
And then the next time, she'll come and put a pillow over my face.
That was not intentional. The food reading already?
The chicken and fried, I mean, just put the peas and go.
Alright, here we go.
We
Put the
are not
chicken for you.
vegan or vegetarian.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Like and subscribe this is the best thing since sliced bread.
Is that Starbucks? Alright, that's not Jamaica.
No. Plus, them have soy milk over there. And them don't have powdered milk except if baby feeding.
Y'all not living if you haven't had last though. Y'all not
Only
living.
have
We know them have Orly.
Start fry the chicken now.
Conclusion.
What is this videoing?
Show some my wife material. Or the pepper then on.
She's trying to poison us.
Look how far she there. Look, people. Look how far she there from the pot. Go again. No change. Way over your stuff.
There's no shame in cowardice.
Touch it up. Touch it up like this.
You go and touch it up, yeah, right?
crispy.
Yeah, I'm not someone know for cook.
The girl know for cook. She ain't buy lunch, no for cook.
They still not get none. Crispy away with pinky way there side it all along.
Crispy.
After this some chicken crispy, I want come running pan it now. No, crispy way to pinky. Like pinky make it eat crisp. Leave my chicken.
Stop it. Get some help.
Finally past 50 subscribers. Finally.